Wednesday night motos up in the mountains following Mr. Mitchell Meschker himself. He was railing on the 300XE. Yeah, it was an awesome night. The dirt was absolutely perfect. We also had Eli with us, but enjoy. Headed into my A-line. I think it was actually slower than Mitchell railing the berm. Now, the roles reversed. I got Mitchell hunting me down, but I will say I had the Beta 450 RX absolutely ripping last night. I got the suspension dialed, stoked on the setup. Jumped back aboard the 450 RX, still behind Mr. Mitchell. This part was pretty fun, probably my favorite section throughout the day. We did some good motos on this loop, about a 6-minute loop. Dirt was primo, the ruts were getting good. The section was a little more technical, you had to watch your bars coming through here, couldn't lean too hard. Coming up the hill right here, little clutch jump, clear the ditch, close back in on Mitchell, keep it tight. Man, I seem to struggle a little bit on this section all night. Mitchell absolutely nailed these turns, pulled a couple bike lanes back out on me. Really had to get my focus going, try to reel it back in. We nailed this line today. Come over, jump the ditch, land back on, drop back down the hill. I think 3 times I blew this turn and somehow never actually fell off the hill. Got pretty lucky back there. starting to get our speedy descent back into the road. Mitchell's about to pepper me the whole way back to the front. I'm giving her everything I got, trying to get around the outside of him, but he is just letting that 300 sink. That is a lap around our Wednesday night motos. If anyone wants to come join, wants to come ride, hit us up, let me know. Thank you for watching.